Questions based on S block elements. First question, which alkali metal has least melting point? In case of alkali metals, down the group the melting point decreases. So, in this case cesium is having low melting point. Now second question, which among them these elements gives hydrated salts, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium. Among this, lithium gives hydrated salt, first member in the alkali metals. Okay. Next, third question, which is the most thermally stable carbonate? Magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, strontium carbonate and barium carbonate. Okay. Barium carbonate is most stable because down the group thermal stability of carbonates increases. So, barium carbonate is the most thermally stable carbonate. Next, fourth question, alkali metals have high oxidation potential and they behave as oxidizing agents, reducing agents, Lewis bases. So, in the case of alkali metals, we know they are strong reducing agents. Okay, because they have high oxidation potential, they behave as reducing agents. Okay. Fourth question, characteristic color given by calcium, strontium and barium in flame test. First option, brick red, crimson, apple green, and second option, apple green, crimson, brick red. Which is the correct answer? Here calcium gives brick red and strontium gives crimson and barium gives apple green in the flame test. So, first option will be the answer. Next, fifth question, process for the extraction of sodium. Options, Bayer's process, Downs process and Haber's process. And we don't know for the extraction of sodium, the process is Downs process. Okay. Next, sixth question, metal that dissolves in liquid ammonia giving a dark blue color solution. That is, sodium is the metal that gives dark blue color solution in liquid ammonia. Okay. Eighth question, correct formula of plaster of Paris. Options, CaSO4 half H2O, CaSO4 H2O, CaSO4 and CaSO4 2H2O. So, the correct formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. So, option A. Next, ninth question, dead burnt plaster. Options, CaSO4 2H2O, CaSO4 half H2O and CaSO4. Among this, dead burnt plaster is CaSO4. Okay. Now, 10th question, which among them on thermal decomposition yields a basic as well as acidic oxides? Options are KClO3, Na2CO3, CaCO3 and NaNO3. Among this, answer is CaCO3 because CaCO3 on thermal decomposition it yields calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And in this case, metal oxide CaO is a basic oxide because with water, on reaction with water, it forms strong base. So, calcium oxide is a basic oxide whereas carbon dioxide is acidic oxide because with water it forms acidic solution. So, answer is calcium carbonate. So, these are the important questions based on S block elements.